I'm at Renee's house. Haven't been here in quite a bit, actually.
Yeah.
So, today we're doing a dish called Multicultural rice and beans. And guess what? It's in a crock pot. It's right there.
Yep. Got everything ready to go. Should we get started?
Yeah.
All right, what should we do first?
First, the rice-a-roni.
Okay, so we use 2 boxes of this rice-a-roni, long grain and wild rice, and cook that according to the directions.
But a little bit of it spilled, so.
Yeah, but it's pretty much, we got it, it's most of the way cooked, but it's going to be in the crock pot, so it'll do the rest. And should we go ahead and add that in?
Yep.
All right, the rice-a-roni is in the crock pot. What should we do next?
I brought 2 eggs from my mom's house.
All right, there they are.
Next.
All right. All right, there's our eggs, mixing them in. All right, the eggs are mixed in. What's next?
The beans.
All right, so we have 2 cans of pinto beans here, which we've mostly drained. Left a little bit of the liquid. Should we go ahead and add both of those in?
Uh-huh.
All right. There's 1. There's 2. Add a little mix. All right, what should we do next?
The gravy.
All right, so we've got a jar of brown gravy. And add that whole jar in.
Yep.
All right. There it goes. Mix it in. All right, the gravy is mixed in. It is looking good. What should we do next?
Now the cheese.
All right, so we've got some natural smoked liver provolone cheese. We've got 5 slices here. Should we go ahead and put that in? Should we layer it? Should we crumble it?
Let's crumble it, actually.
All right. All right, the cheese is on. Should we mix that in?
Yep.
All right. All right, nice and mixed in. And we're gonna get a lid on this.
We're gonna put it on high for 2 hours, and then we're gonna simmer it until dinner time.
All right. And it is on. All right, so it's been cooking on high for a couple hours now, and I've just turned it to low. So we're gonna get the lid back on that, and we're just gonna leave it at low until we're ready to serve it. We'll have that for dinner tonight. It's probably gonna be at least another couple more hours or more before we're ready to have it. So that's just gonna sit there and simmer away until we're ready. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.